Hey, do you use lists to manage your time?
Yes, I do. Lists are a great way to keep track of tasks and stay organized.
I've heard that prioritizing tasks is also important. Do you do that?
Absolutely. Prioritizing tasks helps you focus on what's important and urgent, so you can manage your time effectively.
How do you prioritize tasks?
I use Stephen Covey's time management matrix. It helps me separate the important from the urgent and prioritize tasks accordingly.
That sounds interesting. Can you give me an example?
Sure, for example, if a task is both important and urgent, I'll do it right away. If it's important but not urgent, I'll schedule a time to do it. If it's urgent but not important, I'll delegate it. And if it's neither important nor urgent, I'll eliminate it from my list.
That makes sense. I think I'll try that method.
It's a great way to manage your time and stay productive. Good luck with it!